Hello and welcome to PA Academy. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you top 5 best online project management courses, and these are courses that comes with certificates. Exactly. So if you are a project manager and then you want to improve your knowledge about the field of project management, or you are just new to project management and you want to really have in-depth knowledge and understanding of what project management is all about, then this video is for you. So do make sure you watch the video to the end, because I'm going to be sharing with you free courses. These courses are all going to be free courses, so it actually won't cost you anything to get started with these courses. And these are courses that are well loaded with enough information for you to build your portfolio as a project manager or in the field of project management, because the certificates will actually help you to do that, and more importantly, to help you to build your knowledge and understanding when it comes to project management. So if this interests you, do make sure you watch the video to the end. And before we get started, if you are new to PA Academy, kindly take our time to subscribe to the channel. So you've just find it somewhere below the video. All right, so kindly take 1 or 2 seconds to do that. All right, so thank you very much if you have just done that. So having done that, let's get into the video. The best project management courses that comes with certification just for you. All right. So to start with, this is the first courses I'll be recommending: Project Management Fundamentals. So this is actually a free course. And let me also mention that all the courses I'm going to be recommending, all the 5 courses I'm going to be recommending under project management, you'll find the links to those courses in the description so that you can get started immediately. So the first one is Project Management Fundamentals. So if you look at the description, let's analyze this course. It says, learn how to effectively carry out the different process of project management with this free online course. Okay, so it says this free online course on project management is designed to help you build foundational and advanced level knowledge in managing projects of any kind. Exactly. So irrespective of your industry, irrespective of the organization you work for, as long as project management is concerned, this course will be of immense benefit to you. It says you will learn how to successfully initiate, plan, execute, and close a project. This course is tailored to also help you build your proficiency in using project management information system, as you will be shown how to undertake the aforementioned process using Microsoft Teams. So this is one of the tools or the software that you're going to be making use of as a project manager on project management. Exactly. Okay, so as you can see, it's a 4 to 5 hours course, and then the course has 7 modules, including the course assessment. Altogether makes it 7. So if you look at it, this talks about fundamental of project management. This PM means project management. It says where the project come from. So if you click down, you see that more information on that particular module. The third one says project management information system. So you can see it's going to put you through the different project management information system that is available. Project schedule, managing risks. Remember, project management comes with risks. How do you manage risks when it comes up? Monitoring and control, because that's another important thing in project management. You have to monitor, you have to control, depending on the nature of the project. Exactly. So closing the projects, controlling challenges, you understand. So these are things that this course promises to put you through when you enroll into this course. So if you check out it's a very detailed and well laid out learning resources. I'll recommend it to everyone. So this is one review here from Isabella Afua. And then this one said, it was a moment of fulfillment. I enjoyed every bit of the learning process. Thank you, Alison. So I'm going to leave a link to this particular course in the description. So once you come on this page, so you just click on start course now, and then you're going to get started with this course. Exactly. So this is the number 1 course, Project Management Fundamentals. Now, another thing I want to let you to know that before we look at other courses is that if you look at other courses, they might look similar in title, but going through the course contents or the course module, you'll see that they are different. They are a little different. That means there's something you find in course A that you will not find in the second course that I'll be recommending. So, and since they are free courses, you can just go ahead and just take your time to watch everything, because you are going to learn something new from this. Exactly. This is not an online based skills. You understand? It's a course that was well created by different publishers sharing their own knowledge and experience into the topic. Exactly. So I want to encourage you to make sure that you go through all of the courses I'll be recommending to you. Okay, so now let's look at the second one. So here's the second course, Diploma in Modern Project Management. Exactly. So this free online diploma in modern project management course uses the Project Management Institute's book of knowledge to describe in details the modern theory and best practices of project management. That organizations are constantly looking to deliver projects more efficiently. Exactly. And that's just the fact. They want to deliver more projects efficiently, and able project managers are in demand. Exactly. So if you look at it, there are about 36,000 learners already enrolled for this course. It is 10 to 15 hours of learning. So that means in-depth knowledge and information has been shared in this course. And then this has, this has 16 modules. So you can see for 10 to 15 hours shared into 15 modules. The 16 modules is always a course assessment, after which you complete the course assessment and then you hit the pass mark, you're going to be awarded a certificate. Exactly. And the certificate also, you can include it in your portfolio, exactly, or in your resume, or your portfolio, or your CV, whichever one that applies to you. Okay, so if you look at it, well, introduction to project management, project profile, project phase and organization. So if you click on this drop down, you're going to see some of the topic under each of the modules that you're going to be putting you through. Working with people on projects. So because definitely when you're working on a project, you're not going to be the only one. It's either there are going to be people under you, or there are going to be people that you're going to be assigning. So how do you work with people? You can see working with teams, working with individuals, and then managing team meetings. So communication is also a key thing in project management. This course is also going to address that. Starting a project, project time management. You also have to make sure that you are keeping to time and everything. So all of these are what this course promises to put you through in this course. So it's a diploma course, so you should expect more content and more information, and that's why it's up to like 10 to 15 hours. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. So once you come on this page, you can just go through all of this information, and then you come and just click on start course now to get started with that course. Okay, so that's the second one. Now let's look at the third course. So like I said, the course might look similar, but if you look at the course module, you see that there is a variation in it. So do make sure you check them out. So this is the course title is Diploma in Project Management. So you say this diploma course guides you through every aspect of project management in clear and simple manner. So now let's take a look at the course module. So this has 3 course module. So the first module is Project Management Foundations of the Process. And these are the topics under it. So project leadership, agile project management, risk management, communication in project management. The other video the other course also mentioned communication in project management. But if you watch the communication in the other part and you watch communication in project management in this video, I believe you are going to be getting something new. So you understand. So that's why I'm encouraging you to take out time to watch all of the courses. They're actually free, so it just costs you your time and then your attention. So it's not that you have to pay to access the courses. Okay, so the module 2 on project management, the life and phase of the project. So these are topics under budgeting a project, planning quality, monitoring and controlling the closing phase. So these are the topics that are under this module 2. And then the module 3 is the course assessment. Okay, so and if you look at the review, course was very detailed and easily understood. So the link will be in the description of this video. And once you come up here, just click on start course now, and then you get access to this course. All right, so if you are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. All right, so now let's look at the fourth one now. So the fourth course, Diploma in Project Management in Practice. Remember I said it earlier that if you look at the title of these courses, they are almost similar. Exactly, they are almost similar, but the course content there's a variation in the course content which will be helpful to you if you want to take out time to watch all of them. All right, so this course has 53,000 learners already enrolled, which is, I think it is more than every, okay, this one has more learners, 427,000. You can see learners already enrolled. It has over 4,000 rating already. So that's to tell you how quality the course is. It goes a long way to tell you how quality the course is. So this also diploma in project management in practice. This is another great one. Improve your project management skills for managing complex technical projects with this free online skills. So if you already have knowledge in project management, you already have experience, this will also help you improve, the skills and the knowledge you have as long as project management is concerned. So for this now, this is about 6 to 10 hours of learning. And then let's look at the course module. It has a total of how many? Of 18 modules. So all of these, and then you can see if you click down, if you click on each module, you're going to see the topics on under each of the modules. So this is procurement, project leadership, project planning, project scheduling. This is the first assessment. Then project risk management, managing project value, budgets and costs, and the likes. Okay. So this also, I'll leave a link to it in the description. So once you come here, you can just click either here or here to start the course. All right. So now let's look at the last one. So this is the last course under project management. So you can see the complete project management fundamental course and plus certificates. I think this certificates they are trying to make mention here. All right. So now let's analyze the project management certification to get in an industry that is adding 1.5 million jobs each year. So that means there is job opportunity for you as a project manager, as long as you understand it and then you have good background knowledge of as a project manager. Okay, so 4.5 rating, over 10,000 ratings so far with 39 students. Okay, so these are the things that the courses promises to put you through. You will learn to lead projects. I need water. Learn to lead projects, how to kickstart your career in project management. You're going to learn how to develop a project, schedule, business case, risk assessment, and more. To manage a project team with confidence, how to become a project manager. You can see. So once you come on this page, I'll leave a link to it. You're going to see all of this there. So now let's look at the course content. Now, every other course is paid. This is the every other courses in this particular video that I shared with you. The first 4, they're actually free. This is the only paid course, and I'll tell you why I added this paid course to it. So now if you look at this course content, so it talks about the introduction to project management, project delivery. So if you click on this arrow pointing down, you're going to see the topics under each of the content. So you can see it there. So this is a new that was added while updating. Is change management fundamental for project management. Things they don't teach you at the university or in a project management course. Exactly. So they are going to mention it here. Project management tips. So actually essential for project managers. So now this project management tools was the reason why I added this paid course. So you can see that a lot of project management tools was talked about here. Project management tools, Jira, Microsoft Teams. One of the free courses mentioned Microsoft Teams. I think one of the free courses actually mentioned it. Was it the first or the second one? Actually mentioned Microsoft Teams. Exactly. So, but if you also look at this is mentioning Jira. This is one of the project management tools. Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Planner, Microsoft Excel, and then Microsoft PowerPoint. You understand? As a project manager, you might need to talk about your project, present your project using PowerPoint. So this course is going to put you through. Then Trello, ChatGPT. You're going to see how you can also use take advantage of ChatGPT as a project management. Exactly. And then project management job interview. So let's see. Introduction to the interview, setting goals, expectation in project management interview. So this is also going to put you through the interview phase of project management. So once you secure a job and you have an interview, what are the things to expect? What are the things for you to take note? So this course will put you through. So more about project management certification exam, and then a wrap up of the course. Exactly. So these are the 5 courses that I actually want to recommend. So if you look at this particular paid course, you can see that judging by the course content, from the course content, you can see that if it's a paid course, it's actually something that's actually worth it, especially the management tools, toolkit, and then the interview parts, the project management job interview. You can see for about 2 hours, they're going to be putting you through things that you need to take note as long as the project management job interview is concerned. And as at time of making this video, this paid one costs about $9.99, which is $10. So they are currently running a Black Friday promo at the time of making this video. So when you are watching it, or the price might be different, it might be a little higher or lower. However, they do offer discounts from time to time, so you might get lucky. So, but whatever the price is, just know that it's a great value for money. You're going to learn a lot, especially if you are really, really ready to take up that project management career. Exactly. So those are the courses I want to recommend. You can see we've looked at 5 courses so far. 4 of the courses are free, and only one, which is this one, is the paid course. So if you can't get started with the paid course, go ahead and get started with the free course. Take out time to watch all the 4 free courses. You are going to learn something new in each of those courses. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find value in the video. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up. And like I said, I'm going to leave a link to all of these courses in the description of this video. Exactly. So once you check the description, you'll find a link to all of these videos. And then if you have any question for me, let me know in the comment section below. And with that, guys, I'll see you all in another video. Thank you very much, and bye for now.